Okay, so now we're going to be making a carrot top pesto out of the carrots. This goes at the top of the carrots, so it's so you need the organic carrots. Make sure your the tops are or the leaves are washed and rinsed because carrots are a root vegetable. So I'm going to stick these in a food processor. Let's see. And exactly work there. And with the garlic, the original recipe, which I got off of the veggie bullet in there. I mean, not the veggie bullet. In the veggie bullet thing was it called for nuts. I can't have nuts, and so I just leave them out. So there are a couple things. I like the fresh stuff, but my rule of thumb is friends don't let friends peel garlic. Okay, so I can't stand peeling garlic, so I get the ones that are already peeled. Next in, we're putting in Violife Parmesan cheese. And this is about 117 grams. If you're keeping track on the weight, the carrot tops or leaves are about 119 grams. And I have about half a cup of the agave. You can use honey also. So squeeze out the lemon juice there. And hopefully if I missed any seeds, it'll take care of it. But once you get all that done, you just blend it up and you have yourself a pesto sauce. And I can show you what this looks like afterwards. In the interest of time, I'm gonna cut it here. Thank you for your time. Again, I'm just wanted to come on here again because I keep forgetting almost always to ask you guys to like and subscribe for one, if you like the videos, and also if you have any ideas for me on what you would like to see as far as videos on cooking, let me know, and I will be sure to post it. I'm going to turn this around and so you can see. Okay, sorry, this is what the pesto sauce looked like. I couldn't turn it around while I have it on camera. But anyway, I thank you for your time.